For the anatomical position, you will be standing straight up. Your feet will be slightly apart. Your head will be facing forwards. Your arms will be down by your sides, and your palms will be facing upward with your thumbs facing out. And for body planes, first talking about the frontal plane, picture an imaginary line splitting the body into anterior and posterior portions. We're looking at the front and we're looking at the back. And then we have the transverse plane. This splits the body horizontally into superior and inferior portions. So we're looking at the top and we're looking at the bottom. Now, if we shift that imaginary line over kind of sideways, we're looking at an oblique plane. And the sagittal plane, picture an imaginary line splitting the body straight down the middle into perfectly proportioned right and left sides. That will be a mid-sagittal plane. If we move that imaginary line over just a little bit, we're still splitting the body, but it's not equal portions, so that'll be a parasagittal plane. Now, homeostasis is a fancy term for the body's way of maintaining an internal balance. So your internal chemistries are working together with all of your body functions, and everything's working properly to keep your body functioning the way that it's supposed to. And two organ systems that help the body do this are the nervous system and the urinary system. The urinary system is particularly important because it is in charge of excreting most of the waste out of your body. So if your kidneys are not functioning properly, your body is holding on to a lot of things that it just does not need to hold on to, especially if you are not creating as much urine as you need to. Your body's holding on to all that extra fluid. That puts you in fluid overload, and that causes a whole host of cardiac and respiratory issues. Now, the nervous system also plays an important role in your body's ability to maintain homeostasis. Particularly with vital signs, more specifically with temperature control. So if you think about when you get sick and you have a bacterial infection, and then your body automatically gives you a fever, and that fever is a wonderful thing because what it does with that increased body temperature is it dilates all those blood vessels, so all those white blood cells can get down to that site of infection really quick and can help get you better even faster.